Okay, I'm doing my makeup right now, so I figured that this would be a good time to explain this. So basically the difference between the two is the legal standard. So let's say we're in a situation where I push someone, they fall, and they break all of their teeth and have to get all of their teeth replaced. So I can actually be charged in criminal court for assault and battery, where a prosecutor brings charges against me for the assault of the person. And the individual victim can sue me in civil court for any kind of medical damages that they think may have been caused by me pushing them down. When we're in civil court, the prosecutor is going to have to show beyond a reasonable doubt that I meet all of the elements to assault and battery. Beyond a reasonable doubt is the legal standard in criminal court, and it's a very, very, very high legal standard. Basically, the prosecutor is going to have to show that beyond a reasonable doubt that I committed the crimes of assault and battery, and I meet all of the elements to assault and battery. However, in civil court, it's a completely different legal standard. The lawyer for the victim is going to have to show by the preponderance of the evidence that I was the person that caused their medical damages. The preponderance of the evidence isn't that high of a legal standard. I mean, it's still a pretty high legal standard, but not nearly as high as beyond a reasonable doubt. Basically, the majority of the evidence has to point to me being the individual that caused them the medical damages. So you can have a situation where an individual is being charged in criminal court, lawyers present all of the evidence, and there's still some doubt in the jury pool's mind that I was the person that caused the assault and battery. So they cannot show beyond a reasonable doubt that I caused the assault and battery. But in the alternative, because the civil court legal standard is a lot lower, the lawyers for the victim can likely show in civil court that by the preponderance of the evidence, I was the person that caused them their medical damages. And they have enough evidence for that legal standard. I hope this literally all makes sense and I'm not confusing you guys more. But basically TLDR, the civil court and the criminal court legal standards are both very, very, very different. So my makeup was looking a little bit busted in that video as I was doing it. So I wanted to show you guys the finished look so that you guys can see that I can in fact do my makeup and it doesn't look like a clown.